In this video, we are going to talk about economic order quantity or EOQ. EOQ is a major accounting and operations tool. It helps managers answer one simple but very important question: how much inventory should we order each time? This is not about financial reporting, this is about making better operational decisions. Companies face a trade-off when managing inventory. If you order too frequently, ordering costs become very high. If you order too much at one time, inventory sits in the warehouse, and the carrying costs become very high. EOQ solves this trade-off. It finds the order size that minimizes total relevant costs. This slide is very important because many people misunderstand EOQ. EOQ is the optimal order size per purchase order. EOQ is not the amount of inventory that stays in the warehouse all the time. EOQ is also not annual demand. Think of EOQ as how much should I order each time I place an order. EOQ only considers two types of costs. First, ordering costs. These are costs that happen every time you place an order, such as administrative work or supplier processing. Second, carrying or holding costs. These are costs of keeping inventory like storage, insurance, and handling. EOQ ignores purchase price and accounting inventory valuation. This is a decision-making model, not an accounting rule. The EOQ formula looks like this. EOQ equals the square root of 2 times demand times ordering cost divided by carrying cost. D is annual demand in units. P is ordering cost per purchase order. C is carrying cost per unit per year. The formula balances ordering and carrying costs mathematically. Let's look at a real example. This company sells mattresses. Annual demand is 15,000 mattresses. Every time they place an order, it costs $120. Each mattress costs $50 per year to store and hold. Our goal is to find the best order size. Now we apply the EOQ formula. We plug in the numbers: demand of 15,000, ordering cost of 120, and the carrying cost of 50. The EOQ comes out to about 268 units. Since we cannot order a fraction of a mattress, we round up to 269 units. That means the company should order 269 mattresses each time. A very common mistake is thinking that carrying cost is based on annual demand. This is incorrect. Inventory does not stay constant. After ordering, inventory starts at the EOQ amount and slowly drops to 0. Because of this, the average inventory is EOQ divided by 2. For 269 units, the average inventory is about 134 units. Now let's look at a manufacturing example. This company needs 180,000 tiles per year. Ordering cost is $45 per order. Carrying cost is $18 per tile per year. When we apply the EOQ formula, the optimal order size is 949 tiles. Again, this is the quantity ordered each time, not total inventory. EOQ should be used when demand is stable and predictable. There should be no quantity discounts, and the company does not want stockouts. Ordering and carrying costs must be meaningful. EOQ is a powerful tool for operational decision-making, but it is not designed for financial reporting. If you understand this distinction, you understand EOQ correctly. If this video helped you understand EOQ clearly, make sure to subscribe for more managerial accounting explained simply.